Hello everyone, wanted to show a little quick video on how I made a vegetable oil candle heater using a Milk House electric utility heater. As you can see, I stripped out all the guts. I was going to use one candle like everyone else. I thought, well, 2 candles will fit in there. And then my buddy told me, since I have to cut the candles in half, why don't you put 2 candles in each jar? Yeah, great idea. More heat, the better. So let me just show you real quick. I cut out the back of it here. It's real thin metal. You can pick up this heater new from Walmart for 30 bucks. So I cut out the back vents and I left a couple down here at the bottom to pull the air in. Then I built a door out of some diamond plate I had laying around. And let me pause this and I'll screw it shut and turn it around and show you how it works. Okay, we're back. What I did was I took the switches off the front and just covered up the holes with the metal plate. I left the front grills open too for the fan to suck air through there and blow it out of the front. Now, of course, it's not like an electric heater or a fireplace, but let's see what we got on the laser temperature reader here. 78 degrees, that's pretty good. That's really good, because we just stay in a small RV, me and the good doggies, and we have a heater. Yeah, it's just a small room, as you can see, in the living room, and we have a propane heater, but haven't had to turn it on. It's actually on, it just hasn't kicked on because it's 71 degrees right now. So this is really pretty cool. You know, I'd say it would cost you less than $100 to make. Computer fans, 10 bucks. The heater itself is 30. Shortening was like $7.50 for the vegetable oil. Mason jars were about the same, $7.50. A couple candles, $1 each. And I already had the cord to plug it in. Cigarette lighter, but you could use whatever power source you want. But we like it a lot. It's working well. So hope this encourages someone to help build the same thing. It's really nice. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Say bye, buddy. Buddy, say bye. Say bye. Bye, Shadow.